In today's video, I'm going to teach you Judge Me tutorial. Judge Me reviews Shopify. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin. From the home dashboard, head to the app section. In the search, look for Judge.me product reviews. Open the app listing and take a moment to scan the overview, screenshots, and pricing so you know what you're installing. There's a demo store preview on the listing as well. Use it to see how the widgets and star ratings look on a live theme. When you're ready, click Install and approve the permissions in Shopify. You'll be redirected to the Judge.me onboarding flow. On the onboarding screen, start by choosing your language. This sets the default text for your widgets and review request emails, so pick the language your customers see on your storefront. Next, choose where you'd like the app to install. The common choice is your product pages for the full review widget and your collection or product grid for star badges. Confirm your selections and continue. You'll see a short Tell Us About Your Business section. Provide the basics so Judge.me can tailor defaults to your store. You'll also be asked whether you outsource production or fulfillment, such as dropshipping or print on demand. Answer honestly. It helps set realistic email timing and messaging. Click Next to move on. Now decide if you want to email past customers to request reviews. Enabling this can quickly seed your store with authentic feedback. Review the setting, then choose. Next. Judge.me will prompt you to enable its app Embed. Shopify will open the theme editor. In the left sidebar, turn on the Judge.me app Embed and click Save. Return to onboarding and continue. Next, install star ratings so your product cards and titles can display the familiar stars. Confirm the install or enable it in the theme editor if prompted, then proceed. If you encounter an optional configuration you're not ready to complete, use Skip Step to keep moving. When you reach the plan screen, choose Continue with the free plan to finish setup. Back in Shopify, you'll land on the Judge.me home with a checklist. Open the review request schedule to confirm when emails will be sent. Visit the Welcome panel to start collecting and showing reviews, and explore the top products and recent activity sections to monitor new submissions and display performance. If you don't immediately see widgets on your storefront, refresh your page or clear theme preview cache, and confirm the app embed is saved. A quick test order or a manual request helps validate your flow, and you can always fine-tune email timing, widget placement, and moderation rules later. That's it. Your store is now ready to collect and showcase customer reviews with Judge.me.